Hi, and welcome to M4 Markets. Let's go through how you can verify your M4 Markets profile. Log in to your client area to start verifying your profile. To fully verify your profile, you will need to complete all 3 steps listed on your dashboard. You will need to upload a proof of ID, a proof of address, and complete a short questionnaire about your financial status. Let's start with your proof of ID. You will need to submit an official document. It can be your ID card, your passport, or even your driver's license that proves that you are a real person. To ensure that our team will approve your proof of ID, make sure it is valid and shows clearly your full name, date of birth, has a serial number, and that it also shows an expiry and issue date. To upload your proof of ID, you simply need to click on Upload on the dashboard or through your profile and select the type of document it is. Make sure you upload both sides of your document if this is applicable and click Upload. Our team will review the document and approve it. Similarly, your proof of address is a document that shows that you live at the address you have used during your registration. Your proof of address document is usually a utility bill, but it can also be a recent bank or credit card statement which shows your full name and address. Make sure that the service issuing the statement is also visible, while the document should be issued within the last 3 months. You can upload your POR either via your dashboard or your profile. Apart from uploading a clear and high-resolution image of your bill, you will also need to select the country of issue and type in the address manually to ensure that it matches the address on the document. Click Upload once you are done and our team will review your documents. The last step to verifying your profile is submitting a short questionnaire. Your economic profile details are essentially an overview of your economic landscape. Click Upload on your dashboard or on your profile to open the questionnaire. It takes less than 30 seconds to complete the questionnaire and it allows us to assess your risk tolerance. Congratulations! You've just completed our verification process. We are continuously expanding our product offering and trading conditions, so make sure you follow our social media channels for future updates. Happy trading!